Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're seeing where Damian Marley is in Kenya as a part of his world tour, where he'll be performing Wednesday at a show called Carnivore. However, we're seeing where a Kenyan journalist or radio personality verbally abused Damian Marley at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi after he arrived and was walking through the hotel. Apparently, Chiko Lawi, that's the name of the journalist, he works on Capital FM in Nairobi, requested a selfie from Gangzilla. Apparently it was rejected. I don't know by whom or for what reason, but the journalist was not pleased and he proceeded to record himself verbally disrespecting Damian Marley. He apparently uploaded the video to Instagram, which he later took down. So this is the unfortunate incident.
Viewer discretion is advised.
So, Damian doesn't talk to people, ignored someone.
Come on, bro.
Fuck this guy. Like, fuck Damian Marley. Fuck Damian Marley. Fuck you, Damian. Fuck this reggae man. Oh, I'm a big fan, by the way, but fuck him anyway. There you are. Why are you hiding, Damian? Throw some balls.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on.
This is my home. Fuck no. Easy my ass. This is my home. Fuck you, Damian. Yeah, I did. Gangsta up in this motherfucker. He ain't ready. And we'll still be at his tournament, his fucking performance. We'll be there. But fuck you, Damian.
So peeps, let me apologize for the expletives that was laced in that video. I would have edited them, but I wanted you to see a first-hand view of what would have transpired and how disrespectful the gentleman was. So forgive me for that. My apologies.
Preach and preach, step over, they go beat and teach. See them, so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Peeps, I don't know where exactly Damian Marley would have traveled from into Kenya, but he could have been tired, he could have been having a bad day. I mean, some people say that he should have taken it. Other people say that Damian Marley owes that journalist no obligation. Maybe he didn't even realize he was a journalist, because I don't see nothing upon him for such as say he's a journalist. He probably had it. Probably he didn't identify himself properly. You understand what I say? So Damian's crew decided to not allow Damian to do so. That is neither here nor there. The fact is, this journalist showed a high level of unprofessionalism, and he has been blasted on social media and in Kenya for his disrespect of the reggae artist. Now, Gang, being the professional that he always is, did not utter a word or make a sound. You understand? Apparently somebody in the crew told the gentleman to start recording anything. He made them know say I'm film place in there and them to go away. You understand what I say? So credit to Damian for keeping his cool and remaining humble. He has always been that type of person. So that was good on his part. Why was the photograph not taken? Why was the selfie request denied? I don't know. Only Damian can speak to that, or his team. But the situation is that the journalists overdo it, step across a particular line. You understand me I say? You don't record them things, you don't upload them things as a professional. You understand me I say? I mean, you know, Alkaline say put up your hand if you want hype, if you want fame, put up your hand if you want somebody to call the name. I suppose a data fame, claim to fame, you know. You understand me I say? I don't know what will the radio station do about it, or what have been done, or if anything will be done. But I know it's a gang will perform, making money, left Kenya and left Lawi to go and do him thing. You understand me I say? Boy, me I tell you, youth, sort out yourself. Yard man really want to run in and take no picture with no man neither. You understand? So humble, Bill. See me I say? Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.